Welcome to my channel. Can't reach Linksysmartwifi.com? Here's how to fix it fast. 1. Your connection check. First, make sure your device is actually connected to the Linksys router, either by Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable. If there's no connection, the site won't load. 2. Use the right address. Double-check the URL. It should be Linksysmartwifi.com. Typos or missing letters are one of the most common reasons people can't get in. 3. Try the default IP. If the site won't load, type the router's IP address directly into your browser. For most Linksys models, it's 192.168.1.1. This often works when the domain doesn't. 4. Clear browser issues. Sometimes the problem is the browser. Clear the cache, try a different browser, or switch to private, incognito mode to rule out stored errors. 5. Restart the router. A quick reboot can solve a lot of access problems. Unplug the router for about 10 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for it to fully restart before trying again. 6. Disable VPNs and proxies. If you're running a VPN or proxy, it can block local router access. Turn it off temporarily and try loading Linksysmartwifi.com again. 7. Check firewall or antivirus. Security software sometimes interferes with local connections. If the page won't load, pause your firewall or antivirus briefly to test if that's the cause. 8. Reset the router if locked out. If nothing works and you still can't access the login page, use the reset button on the back of the router. Hold it for about 10 seconds to restore factory settings. 9. Reconnect and log in. After the reset, reconnect your device to the default Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then go back to 192.168.1.1 or Linksyssmartwifi.com and use the default login details. 10. Change login and Wi-Fi details. Once you're inside, set a strong admin password and secure your Wi-Fi with WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. This keeps your network protected. 11. Update router firmware. Go to the admin panel, check for firmware updates, and install the latest version for your model. Updates fix bugs that sometimes block access. Thanks for watching.